Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tutu Tuesday and I'm going to show you how you can create this look using Ankara fabric. Stay tuned. I purchased this beautiful African print fabric from an online eBay seller. Her name is Lucy N49 and I will leave a link to her eBay store in the description box of this video. She has partnered with me today to sponsored this video, so thank you, Lucy, and make sure you check out her store because she had this print and many more. This really isn't going to be a traditional tutorial. It's kind of a follow along. I just wanted to show you how I start a new style of tutu from start to finish. So there's not gonna be a whole lot of talking, but just keep watching. For you that are following along to recreate this look, there's one thing that I would have done different if I could do it over, and I will do next time I do it. I would bring the back piece up to the underarm so that they meet, and I would slope the front piece of the bodice down just a little bit. It would just help the bodice to fit better, but I was trying to make all of this with a ½ yard of fabric. Lucy's fabric is very affordable, but it's such a small tutu. This was for a size 5'6". So such a small tutu, I wanted to see if I could do it with a little less than ½ yard so that I would have the bigger half, and that's what I did. So if I could do it again, that's how I would do it. So if I make it again, that's how it'll be. Okay, carry on.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Here's where my memory card inconveniently was full, and so I had to stop recording. But the only thing that you missed is that I finished stitching the back piece into the front part of the bodice by inserting it through the opening there. And then I also laced ribbon through the neck piece and tied it in the back and added a tutu. So here is how the finished look came out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know what you want to see next. And if you are not following me on Facebook and Instagram, you want to do that so that you can be motivated and see all of the new things that I am posting and working on. Thanks for watching. Bye.